My name's Ernie McDowell, and I have AllSmiles Orthodontics. Right now I have 5 locations, and I've been working with HIP for a little over a year. And I can tell you the one thing I like about HIP that's different than what I've experienced before. You can learn and read about things that you need to do, but the things that they don't teach you is the follow through and the ability to have metrics set up, have checks and balances, and actually be able to track and monitor. And they actually set that up for you, and they help you do it so you can really see that your investment's paying off. And what it makes you want to do is not only see that it's working, but it makes you want to invest more because you see the value and the benefit. I mean, marketing is an investment, and if you're doing it right, the more you market, the busier you should get. And eventually, your only rate limiting factor should be the facilities and how hard you want to